If you are someone who is struggling with poor posture or are starting to get concerned with the overall impact that poor posture might be having on your health, because maybe you're someone who's starting to notice a lot more pain or tightness of the muscles on the tops of your shoulders or maybe even your lower back as well, because maybe you're someone who spends a lot of time sitting or driving and working in front of a computer screen and you just feel that all of that sitting is finally starting to catch up after you after all these years. Or maybe someone who's starting to notice every time you look in front of a mirror that your shoulders are starting to slump or slouch forward a lot more than you remember. Or maybe you're even starting to notice your upper back is starting to round forward as well. Or even maybe starting to notice the formation of a hunchback or a humpback at the base of your neck. And you might be thinking to yourself, is this something that can actually be fixed? Or you might be worried you might end up like one of those little old people that are hunched over as you get older. Or maybe you've tried to fix your posture in the past and you've tried one of those posture braces that kind of pulls you and holds you upright throughout the course of the day. Or maybe you've even tried one of those little electrical devices that gives you a zap, every time you slump or slouch forward. Or maybe you've even tried to do some form of physical therapy exercises where you try to strengthen the muscles in the back of your shoulder. It's just that, every single time after a set period of time, you feel your posture just always goes back to exactly where it was before, and it doesn't seem to change no matter what you do or no matter what you try. So if any of this sounds familiar, and if you actually want to be able to finally fix your posture so that you can stand taller for longer, but also in a way that actually sticks and becomes actually permanent, then I hope you stick around, because in this video, I will share with you our complete, comprehensive exercise program that is designed to help you fix or even reverse poor posture, starting from complete scratch, even if you haven't even stretched or exercised in years. Now, for context, for the past 13 years, we've worked with hundreds of people who've been struggling with, various forms of chronic back pain or sometimes other debilitating pain and injuries. Things like, chronic lower back pain or sciatica, chronic neck and shoulder pain, pinched nerves, or even very nasty and severe tension and migraine headaches as well. And at the root cause of many of our patients' problems can be traced back to poor posture. And while I don't think this is going to come as a shock or a surprise to a lot of people, just considering how we live in today's modern society where people are spending so much time, hunched over their phones, people are spending all day long kind of working in front of a computer screen. But the thing that concerns me the most is the fact that most people seem to be completely unaware or just underestimate how big of a role posture plays in terms of overall health. And we know this because for a lot of our patients, when they come in with some of these debilitating and chronic pain situations, most of them think that there's nothing that can actually be done for them. Or their doctors, tell them that the only thing that can be done is for them to take a bunch of medications or risk having multiple injections or even surgery for the condition. But for a lot of our patients, when we're actually able to identify that posture problems are actually likely causing their pain, and when we have been actually able to help them fix or reverse some of their posture problems, in most cases, not only their pain levels significantly reduce, but we also see an improvement in their overall health, mobility, energy levels, and just a significant improvement to their overall quality of life. And this is the main reason why we created this course, to help you understand that posture is something that is absolutely possible to be able to change, and it's actually quite easy to make significant and noticeable improvements to your posture or even reverse it completely, and sometimes even within a matter of a couple of weeks, so long as you understand how to address the real root underlying causes of what is actually causing poor posture. Now, in this program, we have broken things up into 5 different modules, where in each module we'll be focusing on helping you fix one specific area of what I believe are the most common underlying causes of what is causing poor posture, just due to how people live with today's modern lifestyle. And in each module, we will also provide you with some simple assessments that you can perform so that you know exactly what your problems actually are and also what you need to focus on. And then from there, share with you some of our favorite exercise programs to help you fix and reverse some of these issues so that you too can be able to stand taller for longer with way less effort and hopefully feel good and confident and much better about the way that your body moves and feels again.